Honestly, I never thought I'd wake up one day and say, yeah, I want to have a conversation with a database. But here we are. Using AI and a powerful language model, I built a dashboard that lets you query a database using just your words, natural language, and it actually answers back. But honestly, getting here wasn't easy. It all started with a challenge. And of course, a whole lot of coding. So come with me as I dive in this first challenge of the AIML Leadership Program, where we're just not learning theory, but it's a very hands-on program since day one. We started by exploring prompting heuristics, LLMs, and embeddings. But then we jumped straight into building. Our first task was creating an internal dashboard to query a Star Wars SQL database. We got a GitHub repo, partner up, and start pair programming. Understanding the challenge and navigating the codebase at first was one of the trickiest parts. We were doing it together, and basically pair programming means that you need to figure it out things together as a team. From understanding the repo to understanding the task and also trying to figure it out and debug any kind of errors or challenges that we might have. We started by setting up our database with PostgreSQL and Supabase, making sure everything was connected and working smoothly. Then we basically integrated OpenAI API to power our natural language queries with AI. Honestly, testing our prompts was the hardest part. We had to make sure the AI-generated SQL queries were accurate. From text matches to result comparisons, we basically tried it all. We needed to track every input, output, and prompt iteration. This basically showed us and helped us to see what worked and what didn't, so that we could iterate to improve the AI responses and performance. After a lot of trial and error, we finally made it work. It was crazy to see how powerful AI can be when combined with the right prompts. It's all about giving good instructions and of course knowing how to write your prompts, but also knowing how the model works so that you can customize and build your prompts correctly. What's next? Who knows? Maybe I'll have the best conversation ever with the spreadsheet tomorrow. If you're curious about AI or machine learning or want to follow along, hit follow and come code with me.